Welcome to Skincare Queen, everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own insect repellent. If you have a bug problem, troubling you, here is how to make your own insect repellent. What you need is lemon essential oil, you need eucalyptus globulus essential oil, you need peppermint essential oil, you need coconut oil, whether organic or non-organic, anyone will work. So what you'll do is you're going to take lemon essential oil. Take 5 drops of lemon essential oil and 5 drops of eucalyptus globulus essential oil. Then peppermint essential oil, also 5 drops. Then we're going to mix it with 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Then you're going to mix it together. And that's how you make your insect repellent. The most important thing is the use it part. You must know how to use it to repel bugs and insects that are bugging you. So what you will need to do is mix it very well. And if you want more, you can increase the amount we use. Remember, we use 5 drops of these essential oils. If you want more, you can increase them and double the amount, meaning you can use 15 drops, 10 drops, and so on and so forth. And just make sure you make it bigger. If you want more, just double them or triple each of them. So you're going to mix it very properly, right? Then you're going to apply it where what you're going to do, you're going to use this to tow the parts of the bug. If you know where the bugs usually come into your home, all you just have to do is just make sure you drop it along that line. It's just magic. Lemon essential is so powerful to ward off, and because peppermint is too strong for them, they're going to be repelled. Just make sure you put it around the area where usually, whether it's your kitchen cupboard or whatever, or just make sure you put it around that place. I'm sorry about my use of language, that was why I stopped that there. So just put it around that place and continue doing that every 8 hours. In no time the bug will they will find wherever that place uncomfortable, especially with the smell of this amazing essential oil. They will not come back there. So continue using this every 8 hours. It usually work within one week, depending on the type of bug that that are coming to that place. So just follow this instruction. If you want more, double the amount and make sure you put it around that place. Thank you for watching. If you have any question about this simple insect repellent recipe, drop a comment in the comment box below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.